Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the KPI, Key Performance Indicators. Well, this is a tool. It got the following characteristic. It is a measurement of the level or performance of a process. The value of the indicator is directly related to a previously set objective and is normally expressed in the percentage of value. The word KPI comes from the acronym of the phrase Key Performance Indicators. Uh, the 5 steps that you use to define your indicator is identify the department of area to be measured, define the logistic and methodologic process to carry out measurement, define the objective, collect the informations or result, and go updating the indicator. So KPI are related to OKR, which are objective and key review. So it's very important because this tool is very helpful to know how are you performing. A lot of companies nowadays are using this tool and it's very well put together because it's really allowing to make things easier. So the first thing that you do, and before we start explaining this subject, if you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, turn on the bell, subscribe. It helps us a lot to continue growing and keep creating new content. So the analytic is extremely important because you need to know what are you gonna measure. So you need to adjust during the process. It's not that you just finish and it's done. You have to be updating and adjusting. Continue improving is extremely important, and of course show the results in percentage. So the key performance indicators start with the objective. Before you decide how are you going to measure, you have to have a clear objective of your organization. What do you want to achieve and how do you want to achieve it? When you define your objective, you start the assessment. You start seeing what the things that you are going to need to achieve that, the time that you're going to do it, everything, all the different components. So the assessment is extremely important. After that, you start realizing which will be the best way to measure your objective. That is the very important part because it will allow you to optimize and choose the best option. Then you need to develop a strategy to achieve your objective. So you have to analyze different kind of components, different kinds of situations, and choose the best one. Then the strategy start working on, and you start developing the way that you want to achieve your previous objective. So the indicators are extremely important because it will allow you to know how are you performing. During this process, you need to evaluate if the actions that you decide to choose are working or they are not working. So it's extremely important because it will allow you to be adjusting and optimizing all the different kind of components. It's extremely important that you know very well your organizations, that you be choosing the best possible way to allow to keep improving and making a better performance. As a conclusion, we can say that this type of indicators allows you to analyze and take decisions in a way that is objective and in any kind of business scenario, but also in any kind of productive way. To write the objectives, recommend to watch the tutorial of OKR, objective and key result, which is extremely important because in that video I teach you how to write the first point, the objective. It is important to understand that even if the evaluation is 100%, always is possible to improve and find different ways, because if your indicator is showing you that your performance is really good at everything that you are doing is very well put together, that's awesome. However, you need to understand that it's very important to always keep in the back of your head that you can improve whatever you are doing. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Our Udemy courses are already available in the description of this video. You can find the link. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.